My name is Rob Garner. I am a computer programming instructor, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to use to-do comments to grade student projects. Suppose this was a student project and we wanted to grade it. What we can use is something called to-do comments. A to-do comment is a comment that has basically the word to-do in capital letters and a colon. We can then put in a comment and go through and grade the student's project. And what we can then do is if we go to view task lists and if we select comments, we'll see that all of our to-do comments show up in the task list. This is useful if you have a very long program and need to then go back and see where all your comments are. If you teach your students to then look in your comments, this allows them to actually navigate to where the comment is simply by double clicking on the comment. So that makes it easier to find your input to them. Another nice feature about Visual Studio is that it has a toolbox, and if you have comments that you use frequently, you can drag them into the toolbox, and from then on, if you need to make that comment, you can just drag it into the code and it will be placed there. So once you have your to-do comments, you can save your changes, and if you you can zip and upload that project back up into Blackboard, and the student can then open it up and see your comments into their code. Another way to get the comments back to the user is if you use version control. You can actually check in your changes, and this is an area where the toolbox can be useful as well. Normally you might have a standard message for your check-in comment, something like graded C to do comments. You might have some instructions. Simply remind them how to view them. And then rather than having to type that in each time, you can also click and drag that and place that message into the toolbox. So your standard check-in comment can then just be dragged into the comment box and it can be checked in. Thank you very much.